Once upon a time, there was a beautiful happy princess called Snow White. She was named after her pale skin. One day, the evil queen, who wasn't Snow White's mom, talked to the mirror. She said, "I am beautiful, can't you see? No one looks as good as me." The mirror replied, "Snow White looks as good as you. She is beautiful and happy too." The queen was angry. She told her husband, Snow White's father, to take her away to the forest. Snow White was scared, tired, and hungry. Lucky for her, she met 7 small men who helped her. Now, the queen is sure Snow White is gone. She looks at the mirror and says once again, "I am beautiful, can't you see? No one looks as good as me." And again the mirror replies, "Snow White looks as good as you. She is beautiful and happy too." The queen was angry. She took a bad apple and walked to the forest. Snow White ate the apple and fell into a coma. That means she sleeps and does not wake up. The 7 little men were sad. But everything changed when a tall, handsome prince came to the forest. He looked at Snow White and she woke up from the coma. That is the magical power of true love, the little men thought. Snow White left the forest with her prince and said goodbye to the 7 little men. They were sad to say goodbye, but they were also happy for Snow White. Finding true love is not easy, they all agreed, and once you find it, you must dedicate yourself to it.